Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are going to continue lesson number 10, tenths and hundreds. Let's start. Practice time. First one, money from different countries. Children, have you seen notes or coins used in other countries? American currency is US dollars. Canada is Canadian dollar. China uses yuan. UA uses dirham. Germany's currency is euro. England's currency is pound. Korea uses won, and so on. Different countries' currencies are different. A chart of Shivam Bank is shown here. Shivam Bank has a chart of how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. For example, Korea's 1 won means 0.06 Indian rupees. Sri Lanka's 1 rupee means 0.43 Indian rupees. Nepal's 1 rupee means 0.62 Indian rupees. Hong Kong's $1 means 8.40 Indian rupees. South Africa's rand means 4.80 Indian rupees, and so on. Exercise A. The money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupees? Answer is, looking at this chart, we get the answer as England. Since 1 pound of England gives 86.63 Indian rupees, which is maximum in the given chart. Exercise B. Mithun's uncle lives in America. He has sent him 10 USA dollars as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for his school trip. Now, how much money was left with him? Answer. See children, Mithun's uncle has sent 10 USA dollars. From the chart, we know that 1 USA dollar is rupees 65.29 in Indian rupees. Converting this into paise, we get 6,529 paise. Since 1 rupee means 100 paise, so 65.29 rupees will be 6,529 paise. So $10 will be how much paise? So the money received by Mithun is 6,529 multiplied by 10. That is 65,290 paise. Now converting this into rupees, we get rupees 652.90. But out of rupees 652.90, Mithun gave rupees 350 for his school trip. So money left with Mithun is rupees 652.90 minus rupees 350. That is rupees 302.90. So money left with Mithun is rupees 302 and 90 paise. Exercise C. Majid's father is working in UAE. Children, currency of UAE is dirham as given in the chart of Shivam Bank. Majid's father gets 1000 dirham salary. Now let us see how much salary Arun's father gets. Arun's father is working in Sri Lanka. He gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees as his salary. Children, we have to find who gets more salary in Indian rupees. Answer: Majid's father salary is 1000 dirham. From the chart of Shivam Bank, we come to know that 1 dirham is rupees 17.79. That is 1779 paise. So 1000 dirham will be 1779 multiplied by 1000. We get 17,79,000 paise. Converting this into rupees, we get rupees 17,790. So Majid's father's salary in Indian rupees is rupees 17,790. Arun's father's salary is 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Children, from the chart of Shivam Bank, we come to know that 1 Sri Lankan rupees is rupees 0.43. That is 43 paise. So 2000 Sri Lankan rupees is 43 multiplied by 2000. We get 86,000 paise. Convert this into rupees. We get rupees 860. Arun's father's salary in Indian rupees is rupees 860. Seeing the salaries of Majid's father and Arun's father, we come to know that Majid's father gets more salary in Indian rupees. Exercise D. Lina's auntie brought a present for Lina from China. It cost 30 yuan in China. Find what it costs in Indian rupees. Answer: cost of the present is 30 yuan. From the chart of Shivam Bank, we know that 1 yuan is 9.83 Indian rupees. That is 983 paise. So 30 yuan will be 983 multiplied by 30. We get 29,490. So cost of present is 29,490 paise. Now convert them into rupees. We get rupees 294.90. So cost of the present is rupees 294 and 90 paise in Indian rupees. Exercise E. Asta wants some Hong Kong dollars and Koreans won. First one, how many Korean wons can she change for rupees 4? Answer is, from the chart of Shivam Bank, 1 won is rupees 0.06, that is 6 paise. So how much 1 is rupees 4. That is 400 paise. Children, we will cross multiply 400 and 1 and then divide them by 6 paise. So we get 400 divided by 6. Let's divide and see. 6 divided by 400 gives 66.666. Rounding it up to 2 places after decimal point, we get 66.67. So Astha will get 66.671 for rupees 4. For rupees 400, which is 100 times 4, she will get 66.67 multiplied by 100, that is 6,667 ones. Second one, how many Hong Kong dollars can Astha change for rupees 508? Answer from the chart of Shivam Bank. 1 Hong Kong dollar is rupees 8.40 in Indian rupees. That is 840 paise. Then how much Hong Kong dollars is rupees 508? That is 50,800 paise. Cross multiply 50,800 and 1 and then divide it by 840. We get 50,800 divided by 840. Now divide numerator and denominator by common factor 10. So we get 5,080 divided by 84. That is, last zero will be cut from both numerator as well as denominator. Now let us divide and see. 5,080 divided by 84. We get 60.476. Rounding up to 2 digits after decimal, we get 60.48. So Astha will get 60.48 Hong Kong dollars for rupees 508. Question number 2. Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill given in your textbook, page number 144. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the prices. Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of the bill. So, after putting points in the correct place, the bill will look like this. 1 soap for rupees 12.50, 1 kg green gram for rupees 50.25, 250 grams of tea for rupees 27.25, 1 liter coconut oil for rupees 60. Now add all the 4 items given in the bill. We get the total amount of the bill as rupees 150. So Kiran has to pay rupees 150 for 4 items. But Kiran carried rupees 200 for shopping. How much money will be left with her? 200 minus 150, that is 50 rupees will be left with Kiran. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.